Country of origin: United States. The package height of the product is 1 inches. The package length of the product is 1 inches. The package width of the product is 1 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Good brakes, easy installation, solid concept. These are good brake pads. Are they great? Difficult to say at this point. These were used on a restoration project mountain bike. Purchased new V-brakes as part of the restoration, rode a couple trail sessions with the included brakes, and then out of curiosity, ordered and installed 2 sets of these. Clean and true rims for both sets. Really can't tell the difference. Rode through some creeks, dusty trails, loose over hard sections, etc. The brakes do well, but there really isn't any difference. Modulation, sensitivity, stopping power are all about the same. Maybe more pronounced on a road bike with consistent tire-to-surface contact. The lip on the trailing edge made installation a bit easier. No rubber band spacer needed to tow in the pads.